Hello dear students, today's video is regarding the images formed by lenses. Earlier we studied about the rules to be used to form images by lenses, and now two types of lenses we have to study. We have taken first one, that is convex lens, and our today's topic is images formed by convex lens. Convex lens can form 6 types of different images depending upon the different positions of object. So we'll start one by one. The first is when object is at infinity, means object is far away from lens. One example can be considered about it. Object is sun and we are holding a convex lens on earth. So this distance between earth and sun is a source of light and we are holding lens on earth. So on earth the position of lens is there. So this distance can be considered as an object at infinite distance. When sun rays are coming from sun to earth and passing through this convex lens, the image of sun will be formed. That is our first subtopic, when object is at infinite distance. We'll take when object is at infinite distance, all the rays are nearly parallel to each other. So minimum 2 rays are required to form an image. So here we go with the first ray diagram by the convex lens for the image formation. First incident ray, I'm using these sticks as incident rays and reflected rays. So this is the first one, incident ray, and this is parallel to our principal axis. What will happen according to rule to this incident ray that we have studied earlier? When incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the emergent ray will pass through focus. So here we are going to take the emergent ray and that is going to pass through focus. I try to take the different kind of sticks, the color is different, so that clearly it will be visible to us that blue color, sky blue color stick is incident ray and purple color is emergent ray. So this is the first rule we have applied. When incident ray is parallel to principal axis, emergent ray is passing through focus. One more ray is required because all rays are parallel to principal axis, so another incident ray has to be parallel. This is another blue colored stick representing the second incident ray, and it is also parallel, that's what we have to take, parallel to principal axis. This is parallel, so it also has to, emergent ray also has to pass through focus. So this ray I use as, and this also has to pass through. This is also passing through focus. So this is the focus. Incident ray first parallel to principal axis, emergent ray is passing through F2. Second incident ray is also parallel to principal axis. The second emergent ray is also passing through focus. This is the point. Now both emergent rays are intersecting at F2. So this is the point where image will be formed. So we'll write the properties of image now. Properties of image formed. Number 1. The first property is where image is formed. Image is formed at focus. Image is formed at focus. Second property, the image is real because the actual incident rays, emergent rays are going to intersect. So this is the second property. Image is real. Third property, that is about size. So sun is huge in size, whereas if we are going to focus its image by lens, then we are getting a point. So it reveals that the size of image is diminished. Size of image is diminished. Highly diminished, I should say. This is highly diminished. Very small. Very small. Or you can write highly diminished. So these are the properties. All real images are inverted. So that can be written because it is a point size. Point cannot be inverted, so we can skip in this diagram. Whereas the fourth property will be image will be inverted. So these are the four properties. In each diagram we have to mention the position of object, we have to draw the ray diagram and the properties of image. Once again I am going to explain it. Object is at infinity and images are formed by convex lens. When object is at infinity, all incident rays, because these are coming from infinity, so all are nearly parallel to each other. So first incident ray parallel to principal axis, the emergent ray is passing through F2. Second incident ray is also parallel to principal axis and the second emergent ray is also passing through point F2. These are the properties. Image is formed at focus. Image is real. The size of image is very small, highly diminished. And fourth is image will be inverted. So that is the first ray diagram to get image formed by convex lens when object is at infinity. In next video we will get the second different position of object and corresponding position of image along with its properties. Thank you.